Well, hello, today we're going to replace the rear lens on your scooter. And in this video, I will show you how. Well, hello and welcome. Today we're going to change the rear lens on your scooter. This is the large clear lens that is back here on the side of your scooter. This one is a red one, and you got the white one on the side. See, the problem that after a few years, these lens back here, they become slightly yellowish. Now you really need to be visible on the rear side of your scooter. It's very important. If people see you in the rear side, it's already one step ahead. You know, it's very important because people will know that you're there. Now if you have this one, they're kind of like yellowish, they will not see you too much, you know. Now there is few things that you can do. You can change this one, you can place a LED light. You need to brighten this rear side of your scooter a lot more. So to remove this one is a really easy thing to do, and you need only a Phillips screwdriver. Be careful because these screws right here, sometimes they get rusty. If they get rusty, you might have a problem. So you can spray a little bit of WD-40 right here, or silicone WD-40 to help you out. So kind of spray them a little bit and then let it rest for a few minutes, and then you're gonna unscrew them again, because this screw, if they get rusty, there is possibility they're going to break. If they break, you are gonna have a bigger problem. So now to unscrew this one, just be gentle. I will not suggest to unscrew this one with a driller. Just use a screwdriver, okay? Because with a screwdriver, you really have a feeling of what's going on. If the screws are coming, or if the screws are not coming, or if the screws are stuck or not. You know, if you do it with a driller, the problem is that you're not going to have that feeling. So you're going to unscrew this one right here, and you're going to screw down here. There is a little bar that kind of hold the lights in. So you have to unscrew this one too. Right here. See, these clear lenses, they're not really easy to find. You have to go to a company that's here in Florida, and it's called scooterparts.com. right here, or Universal Scooter Parts. This is a good company. They have a lot of things in their company, in their website, that you can find, and you can substitute all the things that you want on your scooter. You can, you know, change a little things. Right here you have the lights. So as soon as you remove this part right here, you don't really need to remove this part all the way, but you just need to unscrew this part until you can remove this plastic lens right here. Right after you remove this plastic lens, you see how they are yellowish, and really the light doesn't go through anymore, or not really much. So at this point, what we're gonna do, we're going to replace it with a nice clear ones. See, those are brand new. See what is really the difference, huh? Now, these lens, they're about like $14 for the whole thing right here, and it's really worth it to get this lens right here. Now there is a problem that you need to buy a LED light that is gonna be red LED light. This one you can buy on Amazon. I'm gonna put the link underneath here so you can buy this light. Now there is the problem with these lights. We are at the beginning of the new generation of this LED light. So some of them they're good, from good company, and some of them they're not too good. Some of them they last a long time, and some of those lights are not lasting a long time. So make sure you keep the package from Amazon. If the lights is not gonna last a long time, you're gonna send it back, because you're talking about 2 lights for $14, okay? So if they're not too good, put it back in the bag, and you send it back if they're not lasting. Now right here, to remove this bolt right here, just push and turn left, and you're going to remove this light. To place the LED light right here, that's this one right here. See, very cool. And the top side is got the little, you know, 3 LED lights on the top. Right, to replace this one, just push in, and you're gonna turn right. Be careful with the LEDs, they're on the side, so if you squeeze them too much with your hands, they might break. So try to get the base of this light bulb and push the base in and turn right, okay? See, these lights look very cool, very nice. Hopefully it's gonna last. You you know. So okay, right after you place the light here, you want to make sure that this light is going to work. So go in front, pull the brake, and see if the light is going to work. Look like it's working, and it has a nice red color. Very strong light for the back. This one is going to be very safe for you, so when somebody comes from the back, he's going to realize that you are there. Okay, right after you've done that, you're going to place this part back. Now remember, you cannot put a clear lens if you don't have a red light, because when you push the brake, they're going to see a white light. A white light doesn't communicate with the other driver that are around you that you are stopping. So you need to change this light bulb to a red one if you want to have a clear, okay? Right. When you're here, make sure you clean a little bit, because you want this reflector to reflect the light as best they can, you know. You want to have a nice reflection, so people, they will know that you are there right in front of them, you know. Unfortunately, after a long time, these kind of lenses and reflector are getting older, they're getting yellowish, they're getting dirt, so make sure the lights are clean. You know, this one is kind of like an insurance from you, because when you're riding on the street, people need to know that you're there. It's very important. Nowadays, people are busy on doing many other things on the car. So they got an iPhone, they got, you know, the talking car, they got Tesla, they are busy on their cars. Really, they're really busy on their car. So after you clean the inside here and you make sure it's nice and clean and beautiful, at this point you can place this clear lens right here. And see, these clear lens, they have a little indentation right here. That's where you're supposed to put them, on the left side, on the right side. So make sure you put this one first, okay? And they look good. Make sure they do not move, okay? You put one here and then one on the other side. Now try to do this job with your scooter on your center stand, because you don't really want to have the scooter moving when you do any kind of job in your scooter, okay? Okay, right here. Now be careful, because at this moment, these two pieces are not getting hold by nothing. They're not stable. So leave them there, right there. Don't shake the scooter, or these parts are going to fall on the floor and break. Now, right after you put those two, you can place the center part that is clear. Now you can find these parts on the parts4scooters.com online, or sometimes you can find this one on eBay, and that's very nice too, you know. But I like Parts for Scooter. They have a lot of parts in their store. Let me tell you, there's a lot of choices that you can buy those little parts. Now, right after you put this one here, make sure it doesn't fall, and you have the screw. Try to find some brand new screw if you can, or you just replace these ones, okay? You can go to Harbor Freight, or you can go to the corner store where you have all the tools, and you can get some fresh new stainless steel screws. Right here, you're gonna put this one on the other side. Be gentle, okay? Because these parts right here is all made of plastic. So if you're not gentle, plastic's gonna break on you. Now, right here, you can screw this one in. Be careful, because right here you have a little connection. So unfortunately, the other side is broken on my scooter. Right here, and you can tie this one right here. Now when you're here, if you like, you can also place some, you know, turn signal right here, LED light. You can buy them online. I can place a little link underneath the video, so you can buy this LED light on the side. I already done it on a video before this one, that I changed all the lights in the back. Okay. Now right after you place this lens right here, try if the lights is working. Turn on your scooter, make sure you did the right job, okay? Because sometimes, you know, you go on the street and you didn't check if your lights are working, and you're going to have a problem, okay? Now these lights back here right now with this nice clear lens, they're going to give you more visibility on your scooter. Okay, make sure you test it, make sure your LED lights is working. Turn on your scooter. Make sure you test all the lights, make sure everything is working the right way. Before you go ride your scooter, very important. Look, right here you're going to have a lot brighter light, okay? Make sure that your turn signals are bright, make sure the lights in the back are bright, make sure people are going to see you. Okay, we just finished to change the rear lens right here behind your scooter. This is something really important that you should do. It's not going to be too expensive to do. It's not going to cost you too much money. And people right on the rear side of you, they're going to know that you are there. It's always better to be a lot more visible, okay? Now, I'd like to thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you enjoy. If you have any question, please feel free to ask at any time. Subscribe to my channel, click the like button, please. Thank you very much for watching my video.